Let's do a full face of makeup. I'm actually going to start with this orange corrector. This is from Pixi Beauty. So I'm going to correct the darkness under my eyes. For foundation, I'm going to use the Ink Lasting Foundation. This is from Avon and The Body Shop. One of my all-time favorite foundations. I'm using shade 10W. And as you can see, this stuff is very full coverage. Now I feel like I just look like Edward Scissorhands. Tarte Shape Tape for concealer. I like to let my concealer sit a little bit. And then when I'm ready to blend, I just do the edges. Just make sure that you have the most coverage under your eye. So I blend that last. For cream bronzer, I'm going to use the NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream, and this is in shade 01. For cream blush, I'm going to use the Beauty Creations Lip and Cheek Balm. I did a whole video on this, so you guys can go find that video and check it out. And I'm using shade She's Got It. Now I'm going to set my face using the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass setting powder. I like to set my eyes with a little powder puff because I really feel like it just really presses the powder into your under eye and really helps it from creasing. I just love the way a good setting powder just makes everything look so smooth. What pores? What are you talking about? As you can see, with powder and without powder, honestly, it makes everything look like a filter. Now that I look super powdery, I'm going to use a setting spray to kind of dissolve some of the powder. This one is from Youthforia. For brows, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. To set the hairs in place, I'm going to use the 24-Hour Brow Setter. So what I'm using for my eyes is the brand new Pretty Grunge palette from Huda Beauty. So if you want to see how I created this, go ahead and check out my other video. So I think I'm going to go ahead with the black liquid lipstick that Huda launched with this eyeshadow palette. This shade is called Ex-Wife. And here is the completed makeup look.